is the day we find out if we've bought a pup.
We are a retired couple who sold everything and bought a boat, with the intention of living the dream in our 30 years.
So it's a cold and damp morning, Monday morning. Today is the day we find out if we've bought a pup. So we're going to do a lift and hold, which means we have to move Baru from a berth round to the lift out bay. The marina agreed as part of the purchase to do a lift out, pressure wash, and give me a chance just to change a couple of anodes underneath and inspect it on the waterline. We did that crazy thing. We bought a boat without looking at her under the water. We are aware that there might be an issue with on the rudder, but I need to look at that and make a plan. Hartlepool Marina, Baru, over. Just to let you know, we are going to slip our pontoon, head round for lift out, over.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Okay, all clear. Right, okay. You ready? Okay.
So we are absolutely beautiful.
That's hard over, is that?
Okay, so we are motoring, coming out of the berth, making his way around to the lift. So that's the old ships there in Hartlepool Marina.
Do you want to just go up and watch the bow, Adrian?
Yeah. You take that photo with you, Adrian, because you'll find you're going to get pushed off and pushed on.
So want to be on this side as well.
Yeah, but you might just need to just push the bow up a little bit. The idea is to keep the bow.
So coming into the berthing area. So we're coming in now. All the straps in the water ready to go.
Right, just Adrian, just push off on starboard side, right side.
So they're just starting to pull the straps up. Okay, you ready? The rear straps now are coming up. You can see Dave and his friend there are making sure that's level. John at the front. John over there.
Forward of the sail drive, but just double check for me, remind me.
Yeah, you are forward of the sail drive. It's back here.
Oh well,
Yeah.
no problem then, we'll get you lifted up.
So pulling tight, and looks like that looking all right.
Yeah.
So we're getting off on the bow.
Yeah. Captain goes last.
Right, fair enough. So this is coming out. Nice straight lift. Yeah, nice straight lift. So it's looking not too bad really underneath.
We'll do this. Had a repair there.
Yeah.
Very well.
So you can see it's actually plywood inside. Is it?
Yeah.
Do it again. Yeah. You're taking it all off then?
Yeah, because that's can't get in at that. That's knackered, is that? Can't get in.
You've no pullers though, have you?
No, it should be slide off.
Should it?
It's not on a tape.
So it's just put a better looking
Who's better looking?
anode. No, not you, Dave. The one you took off. Yeah. I've got it. Yeah. master at work. So the boat's been jet washed and inspected. Dave's inspected it. He's found a few minor repairs that need doing. He's taken the proper part, removed it, and he's put the inner anode sleeve on it, and he's put a new anode on the end, on the tip of the propeller, so because that was missing altogether. So he knows now what needs doing next time this comes out and has a full refurbishment. So there we go, backing out under power.
Thanks, Ryan.
So it's so to say we're going in reverse, it's going a bit hell of a speed in reverse. Hope it's got a handbrake. Janet there waiting patiently.
So this is the day after our lift to see if we've bought a PUP or not, and it looks like we haven't. The good news is the issue with the rudder, we've heard all sorts of stories about, you know, how bad the rudder was. No. It's got a small crack in the surface. It's not bad at all. It looks like quite an easy repair. It does want a fix. It does want some work doing, but from that point of view, it's in good condition. A little bit of work to do on the keel. Not quite sure, but the keel seems to have been faced in with aluminium. And a little bit of that has got some corrosion on it. Not bad, not an issue. And it has got some water in at the bottom of it, but again, it's not a big issue. So yeah, very, very pleased.